Combining like terms is one of the main ways we simplify algebra expressions. The big rule is simple. You can only combine terms that match exactly. For example, 4x and 2x are like terms because they both have x. 5y and negative 3y are also like terms. Constants like 7 and negative 3 can combine too. But 4x and 4y are not like terms because the variables are different. And 3x and 3x squared do not match because the exponents are different. Here's the process we'll use every time. First, identify like terms. Next, group them. Then, combine the coefficients. After that, combine constants. Finally, write the simplified expression. Let's try example 1. 4x plus 7 plus 2x minus 3. First, group the like terms. 4x plus 2x plus 7 minus 3. Notice the minus 3 stays negative. Do not lose the sign. Now, combine the x terms. 4x plus 2x equals 6x. We added the coefficients, 4 plus 2, and kept the variable x. Now combine the constants. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So the final answer is 6x plus 4. Now example 2. 5y plus 9 minus 3y minus 2. Group the like terms. 5y minus 3y plus 9 minus 2. Be careful here. The term is negative 3y, not plus 3y. Now combine the y terms. 5y minus 3y equals 2y. Then combine the constants. 9 minus 2 equals 7. So the final answer is 2y plus 7. One common mistake is saying 4x plus 7 equals 11x. That is wrong because 4x and 7 are different kinds of terms. Remember, if the variable parts match exactly, combine them. If they do not match, leave them alone.